Most Muslims investing in the US stock market right now are holding stocks they believe are halal. They are not. I screened the 10 most popular stocks among Muslim investors. 6 failed Sharia compliance. 6. That is millions of dollars sitting in portfolios that should not be there. And the people holding them have absolutely no idea. Today, I will show you exactly how I screen any stock for Sharia compliance in under 10 seconds. You will never have to guess again. Here is what most people get wrong. Sharia screening is not just about avoiding alcohol companies or casinos. There are 2 separate layers, and if you only check one, you are doing it wrong. Layer 1 is business activity. Does the company earn revenue from prohibited sources, conventional financial services, adult content, weapons, pork products? Layer 2 is financial ratios, and this is where the real mistakes happen. A company can have a completely clean business, sells software, no prohibited products. But if its debt structure crosses certain thresholds, if it is financing operations through conventional profit-bearing arrangements, it fails. Full stop. Most Muslim investors only check Layer 1. They look at what a company sells, and they stop there. That is the gap. And it is costing people their barakah. In about 2 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a real analysis, a stock that almost every Muslim investor I know currently holds. We are going to find out together whether it actually passes or not. Stay with me. A few years back, if you wanted a real Sharia report on a stock, you had 2 options. Option 1. Hire a certified Sharia advisor. Expensive. Slow. Not realistic for someone managing their own portfolio. Option 2. Search online. Read a forum post. Hope someone else already figured it out. Neither is acceptable when we are talking about the permissibility of your wealth. That is why I started using Musaffa, and I have not gone back since. Musaffa is a Sharia stock screening platform built specifically for Muslim investors. Here is how it works. You enter any stock ticker. Within seconds, you receive a full compliance report, not just a color-coded dot, but a structured breakdown covering business activity, financial ratio analysis, and an overall compliance ranking. The methodology is based on AAOIFI standards, the same internationally recognized Sharia guidelines used by Islamic financial institutions worldwide. This is not someone's personal opinion. This is documented, structured analysis. The platform covers thousands of stocks across US and international markets, and it updates regularly. Because a stock that was compliant last quarter can shift when new earnings data comes in. There is also a purification feature. If a compliant company has a small percentage of impermissible revenue, Musaffa calculates exactly how much of your profit needs to be donated to charity. That level of precision is something I have not seen anywhere else. Let us talk about Apple, one of the most widely held stocks on the planet, including among Muslim investors. Run it through Musaffa. Business activity, clean. Hardware, software, services. No prohibited revenue streams flagged. Financial ratios. This is where you have to pay attention. Apple carries significant debt on its balance sheet. Musaffa weighs that against total assets and revenue using Sharia ratio thresholds, and depending on the reporting period, there may be a small purification percentage required on dividends. That detail, the purification amount, is something you would never find in a casual Google search. Musaffa surfaces it automatically. That is the difference between guessing and actually knowing. Musaffa gives you a detailed Sharia report on any stock in under 10 seconds. I have left the link below. Start with the stocks you already own. Run them through. You might be surprised. All tools I mention are linked in the description below. Always do your own research before investing. Subscribe for more halal wealth strategies. This video contains affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult with a certified professional or check the IRS website for current regulations.